Welcome to Terra Classic. Now let's talk about CZ Binance message to Terra Classic holders. Remember early last few months, Terra Classic really pumped massively, and since after that pump, a lot of people have already started selling off their coins. But CZ is not selling, neither should you sell. And I believe that Binance in fact, Binance have been supporting Terra Classic, and I think a man like CZ, you should know that he understands more, and CZ knows what he's really doing. He have a lot of coins. He owns a lot, almost 15% of Terra Classic supply is being held in the hands of Binance CZ. Now, the truth is, I believe that even CZ recently said something, a message to Terra Classic holders. I'm going to read what he said on Twitter. Now, recently he tweeted, that was a few months ago, he tweeted and said, and I quote, "I did not say that it was a question, not a commitment. I think we still stay in the free market. We still hold Luna." Notice, we still hold Luna. That is LUNC today. That's to tell you that CZ is still holding Terra Classic, even though a lot of people have actually sell off their Terra Classic coin after Terra Classic massively pumped a few months ago. Although some are scared, a lot of people believe the money they didn't make that period, they want to hold of it. But here is CZ, who is really showing a great support for Terra Classic, and even tweet on his Twitter account page where he said we still hold Terra Classic. I think CZ is out there for Terra Classic. This is a message to all Terra holders, that is to tell that a man like CZ sees support Terra Classic, he still believe on Terra Classic token, and he believes Terra Classic is going to pump. And I believe, of course, Terra Classic might be hitting 100x. A lot of people have actually predicting Terra Classic hitting $1 or hitting 10 cents or 1 cent, but I'm very sure that with the way things are going, if things keep moving that way, we might be seeing Terra Classic hitting almost 10,000% very soon. And CZ himself is also showing great support for this coin, and that is amazing to see a particular coin where a top exchanger like a Binance, the founder, is really talking about that coin, holding the coin, showing great support for the coin. Terra Classic have really benefited from CZ support, and I think that is going to really help this coin very soon. We are going to see a massive increase in price on Terra Classic, and I believe if CZ can keep supporting this coin before the end of 2025, something big, something massive is going to happen with Terra Classic. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.